My topic is SMS marketing and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. SMS marketing is sending promotional campaigns or transactional messages for marketing purposes using text messages, SMS. These messages are mostly meant to communicate time-sensitive offers, updates, and alerts to people who have consented to receive text messages from your business. SMS marketing is what happens when you take your advertising efforts directly to the text message inboxes of your potential customers. If you're brand new to SMS, this post will walk you through the foundational basics and best practices inspired by our thousands of customers. If you are already using SMS, this is a great resource to educate your team about the benefits of reaching your audience on such a direct, owned marketing channel. SMS marketing is using text messaging to send offers, promotions, and reminders to subscribers' mobile devices. This form of marketing refers to messages of up to 160 characters, including plain text, numbers, and emojis. MMS, or Multimedia Messaging Service, is a type of SMS marketing that contains multimedia like video, images, audio, and GIFs within the text message. Like email, SMS has evolved into a direct marketing channel that lets brands connect with consumers in a personalized and measurable way. Over the last few years, SMS marketing has become a differentiator for brands of all sizes who've used it to drive revenue and build loyalty with their customers. This performance marketing channel allows brands to have one-to-one conversations with consumers at scale, and lets consumers reply back. Most of us have only one cell phone number. We keep it for a long time and are pretty selective about who we share it with. We carry our mobile devices with us everywhere for immediate and reliable communication with our friends, families, and now brands. Being able to text our favorite brands feels natural and convenient. And because SMS requires consent and is easy to opt out of, we can feel in control of which brands are in our favorites. For marketers, SMS marketing stands out as a channel that's uniquely data-informed and measurable. With analytics, channel orchestration, and reporting tools, you can better engage your audience so they're receiving content and offers they're interested in. Brands who use Attentive for text messaging are driving $55 for every $1 spent through SMS. When it's done well, SMS can power much more than the acquisition stage of your marketing efforts. It can become a central part of your CRM. SMS marketing or mobile marketing is a communication strategy conducted in bulk, enabling businesses to send mass text messages to large volumes of target audiences' mobile phones around the world in real time to spread awareness, gain traction, and promote engagement about time-sensitive campaigns. Is your business thinking of delving into the world of SMS marketing but don't know where to begin? SMS marketing may seem difficult to get right, but with this easy, best practice guide, businesses in any industry can reap the benefits of SMS marketing to drive sales, engagement customers, and promote success. SMS marketing, or mobile marketing, is a communication strategy conducted by businesses to send promotional and campaign messaging to target audiences' mobile phones via text messages, SMS. SMS marketing is used to send time-sensitive updates, alerts, reminders, and other transactional messages to consumers. With 96% of U.S. adults owning a mobile phone, it is unsurprising that text messaging has become the preferred form of communication for most consumers in modern society. Studies have shown that 98% of text messages are opened, compared to just 20% of emails. Furthermore, the average sender for a text message is over 9%, compared to Facebook, which has a mere 0.9% sender on average. Text messaging is highly accessible to everyone, and they don't have to be online to receive them. Therefore, due to the high engagement rate, it is clear that SMS marketing is a highly effective marketing tool for modern businesses. Luckily, for businesses wishing to start a successful SMS marketing campaign, all they need to do is engage with an SMS marketing provider and the hard work is done. The business must simply choose a platform, such as a computer, email, web application, provide a contact list of mobile phone numbers, the SMS campaign message for the text marketing strategy, and the SMS provider will take care of the rest. At SMS Comparison, we compare the leading SMS gateway providers in the US and worldwide, providing insights into all the factors a business should consider, including the SMS features, pricing, reliability, reputation, customer service, and more. From an SMS marketing perspective, it is essential that the business chooses a mass text message provider that will meet their specific needs. ClickSend, best SMS gateway provider. Twilio, best SMS provider for large businesses. Wholesale SMS, top email to SMS provider. Bulk SMS, cheapest SMS prices. MessageBird, high-speed worldwide SMS messaging. Message Media, top business SMS monthly plans. For businesses who are unsure about whether SMS marketing is for them, providers such as ClickSend offer a free trial, enabling businesses to try out their text message services for free. This can eliminate any worry and enable businesses to get a gauge on how to start their SMS marketing journey. To learn more about how to start your text message campaign for free, contact ClickSend by visiting their website. When done correctly, SMS marketing has many advantages for small business and large corporations in various industries. Firstly, through clever targeted messaging, businesses can engage new customers through multi-channel campaigns. Businesses utilizing channels such as TV, print, radio, outdoor, email marketing, or social media can integrate SMS marketing by promoting consumers to send text messages to the business. These text messages may be a short code to opt into the campaign, or sent through an answer to an SMS marketing competition. This enables audiences to show interest in the campaign message, and enable businesses to save their information for further text message communication. This two-way communication is another benefit of conducting mobile marketing. Not only are businesses able to send SMS messages directly to target customers' mobile phones, but that customer can then respond back to the business. This is a highly effective way for a company to build strong, long-lasting relationships with their customers, especially when used as a means to connect on a personal level, or ask for a review of the customer experience. E-commerce brands convert mobile browsers through relevant text messages, like cart abandonment reminders, product launches, and sales. More traditional retail brands increase foot traffic to stores with location-specific SMS marketing campaigns. They're also using text messaging to drive website traffic and conversions. Food and beverage businesses use text messaging to build diner loyalty with special offers or discounts. They can also drive in-store traffic with localized campaigns. Entertainment brands and influencers connect with their fans by promoting merchandise and events. Media and publishing companies can increase page views and drive paid subscriptions with SMS marketing by segmenting their audience based on interests and past behaviors, like topics they care most about and stories they've read. Promotional text blasts. This is when you send out a broad, single message to an entire contact list. Think of it as similar to a traditional mass media advertisement, but to a more select, targeted audience. Ongoing SMS marketing messages. You can send out regular promotions, discounts, and marketing messages to an existing SMS marketing contact list. This helps you develop a long-term relationship with each customer as a brand. Another core advantage of SMS marketing over any other traditional or digital marketing channel is the ability to personalize text messages to make the customer feel special. This will mean that the customer is much more likely to engage with the campaign and improve overall results for the business. SMS marketing is also a great way to break through the clutter and send things like important reminders, whether this be for upcoming campaigns, or their own appointments, especially in today's busy lifestyle. Like any communication platform, in order to gain the benefits of SMS marketing, a business must conduct the text message campaigns correctly. A mobile phone is a highly personal device, and therefore has strict regulations around how mobile marketing should be conducted. An example of these are laws set by the United States Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Not following these rules can lead to unwanted consequences for any business. One of the most important rules is to ensure that a business gains permission from the consumer before sending them targeted text messages. Not gaining consent would be a breach of their privacy and therefore highly important. There are many ways a business can encourage their customers to opt into their SMS campaigns. Examples include sending an SMS of a short code or keyword to the business to express interest, or through sign-up forms, whether this be in person or online. A business must then also enable the consumer to opt out of the SMS marketing campaign if they no longer want to receive the text messages. The easiest way to do this is to enable a text stop feature for recipients. Provide value and be personal. The next aspect to consider is what is actually included within the SMS text message. There must be a purpose to the message being sent, and a business must provide value to the customer to ensure they remain engaged with the SMS campaign. Mobile messaging is highly personal, therefore a business must personalize their messages. This can be conducted through mentioning the customer's name, to sending follow-up messages regarding their recent purchases or store visits. This customization will increase response rates and improve the customer relationship. Many SMS marketing providers enable automated customization through drip campaigns and more SMS marketing software features. While SMS marketing has been experiencing a revival in the business application, it has still left many confused about approaching the subject. After all, other channels dominated digital marketing for the longest time, with SMS marketing serving, at best, an auxiliary role. Once in-depth statistics started rolling out, it gained some notoriety. It seemed to have an exceptional ROI, potentially one that's better than nearly any other channel. Text message marketing also seems to get the message across effectively as the read and open rates are unmatched. SMS marketing is the process of creating promotional SMS campaigns and sending text messages, usually through the help of automated software. These messages have an inbuilt urgency, similar to a phone call, so they are often used to communicate important updates, sales, etc. There's technically no cold SMS marketing possible. Most countries have enacted laws prohibiting sending text message marketing to people who haven't given their explicit consent. Opt-in forms are therefore a necessary part of the process. You've likely seen an opt-in form for marketing and transactional SMS messages. They are often simple website pop-ups with a small offer, say, a discount, that becomes available after providing a phone number. Inputting the requested data counts as an opt-in, often stated somewhere. SMS marketing has been rising in popularity for multiple industries. There's a good reason it would. Even bulk SMS messages with little personalization have open rates that can reach 99% without much effort. Click-through rate, a metric more directly tied to profit, can reach up to 19%. For comparison purposes, an average email sender is 2 to 5%. However, response rates are still crucially important. Bulk SMS marketing might seem like the thing of yesteryear, but, as the statistics above and the industry knowledge shows, it's impressively effective at doing its job. It's equally easy, however, it's possible to miss out on all the benefits if it isn't used correct. SMS is an invaluable tool for many brands to reach customers, build loyalty, and promote offers. Text messages have a 98% open rate, making them one of the most effective marketing channels. Welcome offers. The welcome offer is one of the first messages a brand will send when it starts SMS marketing. A welcome message greets new subscribers and helps them settle in with the brand's offers. Special time-sensitive offers. Text messages are ideal if you have a time-sensitive offer and want your customers to participate. Add a bit of urgency or the fear of missing out, FOMO, for an effective promotion campaign. Sales and promos. Most brands use text messages to send promotions and sales since it's one of the most engaging and cost-effective ways to engage potential and current customers. Status updates. SMS is the most effective way of sending time-sensitive messages since it's used by almost everyone, regardless of their mobile device or where they live. As a result, SMS is ideal for sending status updates and urgent messages. Use SMS to update customers if appointments are being rescheduled, canceled or moved. Events. Events are an engaging way to stay in touch with potential and current customers. Use SMS to send event invitations to subscribers and tell them when and where the event will happen and how to sign up for it. Time your SMS messages. Email and SMS marketing have something in common: the effectiveness is highly dependent on proper timing. Therefore, the timing for SMS messages could even be more critical. Text messages have a lot of urgency, which means some people maintain their notification sounds 24/7. Sending a promotion text message to a customer in the middle of the night might not be the brightest idea. It's the best time to opt out, after all. The timing might be a little tighter for international audiences. Segmenting them according to appropriate areas and delivery times would be wise. It'll often be better for the ROI of bulk SMS marketing if you sacrifice speed for timing. While SMS can serve as a powerful marketing channel on their own, they're best combined with others. Popular options include websites, emails, etc. Primarily, text messages work so great with other channels that they can be a little limited on their own. For example, SMS can only support 140 characters and no images, otherwise, they are converted into MMS. Additionally, SMS can be a little jarring if they arrive completely unexpectedly, especially from an unknown number. As such, they are best tied to some other channel or website event so that there's an expectation being built beforehand. Always allow the user to opt out. Providing an opt-out option at least once is not just good manners. These options should be clear and visible as law mandates in many countries. As such, avoiding or hiding opt-out possibilities might cause some troubles. They are unlikely, but there's no benefit in not providing an opt-out option. Users can otherwise block your marketing number. Here are a few examples of unsubscribed text in SMS. Reply stop to cancel. Text stop to end. Reply stop to opt out. Stop to unsub. Deliver personalized SMS messages. Use the data at hand to tweak each message a little bit. Usually, you can include several dynamic fields, such as the first name, into the message. That way, you're not sending blanket SMS that may be seen as spam. Additionally, personalization has been shown to have immense importance. There's a sizable audience of people willing to switch to another brand if they are currently buying from sending messages without personalization. Hey, name. It's been a while. Show us this text at the store to get % off. Hey, name, it's time to get even more involved. Refer a friend and you both will receive % off. To find out how this all works, click URL. Hi, name. Your order has been confirmed and began processing on date. You can find out all the details here. URL. Hello, name. This is agent, name, from, company. We are currently working on your order, hash, and have changed its status to, status. Text back if you have any questions. SMS marketing can be separated into two different types, campaigns and triggered, or transactional, messages. While we will primarily refer to the former, triggered messages can still deliver impressive results. Few businesses can benefit from SMS. However, these will primarily be in the B2B sphere, where marketing and sales might take other routes and where customer journeys are long. Other than that, it's almost always wise to implement SMS marketing. E-commerce businesses, whether large or small, are the ones that can gain the most. Many shoppers keep their mobile phones close to them during their journey. Additionally, e-commerce customers are always looking for better deals. So as long as your text message ads deliver some kind of discount or special deal, they will always be willing to opt in. Finally, most automation providers know how important these text messages are to e-commerce. As such, they include lots of integrations into popular platforms, for example, Shopify, making text message marketing for small businesses easy. Larger companies usually have no problem developing proprietary solutions to these issues. Hotels and accommodation, travel companies, restaurants, real estate, schools, non-profit organizations, and many others. In short, if a business has something urgent to say, deals to market, or updates to share, SMS marketing is the way to go. Sender's hustle-free marketing automation allows you to deliver far-reaching messages via two separate channels, email and SMS. So leave no stones unturned by supplementing your email automation sequences with text messages. Any hopes for successful SMS marketing will require finding a software provider. Since you'll be sending bulk messages, doing so manually will be nearly impossible. Additionally, there won't be few personalization or optimization opportunities. Our SMS solution will help you get everything off the ground. Starting from our standard plan and above, we'll enable SMS marketing features and all the support you need. We have done our best to make the user experience as intuitive as possible, but we're always there if any help is needed. You'll also get all the email marketing features we have. As a result, combining two compelling channels will be possible right off the bat. So you get the most optimal results out of all campaigns. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.